Hey Wanderlusters! Welcome back to the Wanderlusteron channel International News Highlights. Today we've got a sprint through the latest international economic headlines that are shaping markets around the world. Trust me, this is where politics, trade and money collide in super interesting ways. First up, in the US, things are heating up at the heart of monetary policy. President Trump has moved to fire Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, accusations she strongly denies, and it's raising serious worries about central bank independence. Markets responded with higher bond yields and growing anxiety about political interference shaping inflation and borrowing costs. At the same time, short-term interest rates, like the two-year Treasury yield, have slid to their lowest levels in about 4 months as investors eye early rate cuts. But it's a tightrope. Inflation expectations remain on the radar. Political interference at the Fed could change borrowing costs for households and businesses. Markets are watching every headline. Coverage from Financial Times and Reuters is driving this story. Links in the description. Up next, tech earnings that could shake markets even further. Over in Techland, everyone's watching Nvidia's upcoming earnings. Options markets are pricing in around a 6% surge in its stock and a possible 1% swing in the S&P 500. Talk about high stakes. In Asia, markets are treading water, eyeing Nvidia's report closely, while grappling with uncertainties around Fed independence and geopolitical lines. Earnings season could be the catalyst or the excuse for broader market moves. Now, tariffs and shifting alliances next. Now, let's switch gears to India and US trade tensions. Starting August 27th, the US has slapped a whopping 50% tariff on Indian goods, double what it was before. This backlash stems from India's continued imports of Russian oil. India, however, is standing strong, backed by strong domestic demand and sound fundamentals, even amid mounting protectionism. Meanwhile, these tariff moves are rippling outward, reshaping alliances. BRICS nations are coordinating responses and leaning toward de-dollarizing. That's a big deal for the future of global trade. Turning now to Europe, France is flirting with crises. PM. François Bayrou's €44 billion budget reform package, which includes cuts and tax hikes, has already sparked market jitters. With no clear majority in Parliament, his government faces a confidence vote on September 8th. Collapse is on the table. Analysts warn this political instability could derail economic growth more than financial strain itself. So there you have it, today's global economic landscape. US, central bank independence under pressure, tech, Nvidia, earnings on edge and market jitters, India, US, tariffs mounting, alliances shifting, France, political instability threatening reforms and growth. Which story grabbed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you for staying till the end, Wanderlusters. As always, see you in the next one.